Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah. It is Monday and we're getting back into our 2026 reset. A wee reminder, if you are just joining us here, small doable tasks to change how we move into 2026. There's no lists, there's no having to print out anything, you don't need any special equipment. No guilt, just if you missed last week, don't worry, just join in with us today. And the reason that I'm doing this is when I felt overwhelmed, I wasn't always organised. I was overwhelmed with the house, didn't like how my life was. It was really helpful for somebody to tell me exactly what to do. I didn't have to think about it, I just had to do it. And that's all we're doing, just a few minutes on today's task. So do you want to know what it is? Okay, so for today's task, I want you to tidy one area. Now that can be like the kitchen, a drawer in the kitchen, a shelf in your living room, your handbag, if you're at the office, an office drawer. And if you're having a really low energy day or things are just too much, just do the top level of that drawer. And I just want to be very clear here, when I say tidy it out, that doesn't mean you are going off to buy special organising trays and knickknacks and you have to take the whole everything out of everywhere. No, we're just working on a little area, make it look a little better. You know, if there's any junk in there, any recycling, get that out of there. Anything that belongs in another space, put it away. Just a few minutes. And I also want to say, I love all the comments that are coming in. You're seeing the progress. Some of you, I can see you see the little wins and you think, oh, that feels really good. And then you want to do more and more and more. Just a little thing here. I don't want you to get burnt out. So whenever you do any of these little tasks, here's my little secret weapon, is a timer. You set a timer for 15 minutes and then you take a break. Once you've had your break, if you're feeling okay, you can go and do a bit more. But what I don't want you doing is just working all day and then you're lying on the kitchen floor thinking, why did Diane start me on this? Okay, so we're just doing it slowly, gently. And as I said, if you're having a low energy day, just do what you can. Just doing that little bit, it's going to make the rest of the things seem better and easier. And as always, you can leave a comment. You can tell me where you are going to be tidying today. And otherwise, no pressure. The main thing I want you to do is to do today's little task and join me here at the kitchen table again tomorrow, okay? So I'm going to give you a wee cheer with my pom-poms and hope you've got something nice in your cup today, some hot cup of tea, or if you're in the southern hemisphere, probably some iced water. So anyway, go off and do your task, let me know where you are, and rah, 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 and I'll see you tomorrow for day 7.